Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 6 says find the slope of the line passing through the points 6, -2 and -1, -8. So I'm going to use the formula slope is equal to change in y over change in x, or second y minus first y, over second x minus first x. Then I'm going to substitute. The second y coordinate is -8. Then I have the minus from the formula itself. And the first y coordinate is -2. The opposite of -2, or dash dash, means plus. Over, the second x coordinate is -1, minus from the formula, and the first x coordinate is 6. So now I'll do my additions and subtractions. -8 plus 2 is -6, and -1 minus 6 is -7. 6 cannot be divided by 7 cleanly, so all I can do is express this fraction since it can't be reduced. However, a negative divided by a negative is a positive, so that means the slope of this line would be 6/7.